Hello friends! This is probably gonna be the last video that I shoot in this little studio. But first, this episode is brought to you by Western Rise, a huge sale that they're hosting at their website right now, westernrise.com. They make some of my favorite materials like those in the Evolution 1.0 and 2.0, still some 1.0 left in the store, X-Cotton tee, an elevated t-shirt, and don't sleep on these Evolution 2.0 shorts, which I'm surprised I have used so much. Link in the description, supports the channel. Well, let's get back into it. We are getting ready to move to a different place in Austin, which I'm excited about, but I've got a bunch of packages to open. So the first thing here comes to me through a mutual friend, Ricky Rocket. Yes, the drummer of Poison. Check out his YouTube channel. He put me in touch with these guys, Porta Brace, because he loves their stuff for heavy duty, serious camera rig. Big, juicy, chunky, like very utilitarian type of stuff. These straps feel, I like a little bit of a denser strap to distribute that weight. Looks like you can hide these away. Back here, you've got some clips. Big old chunky sternum strap. This thing is not about minimalism. Huge side bit here. This has got to be for a tripod, and it's like super reinforced down at the bottom. Other side, massive, just there's a ton of structure in this bag. And then you've just got space up here. You just got like space, nice, rigid, thick, very padded. This is very cushy. This is like cinema camera type stuff. You can get away with a lot. Just realized I don't have my shop teacher glasses on. What have we been talking about again? Okay, this one, property of. I'm kind of interested in this one. This is I think it should be a travel bag. Looks like there's something else in here too. Maybe they're daily carry of some kind. Look at these guys. These are like, you know, this is like traveling the old hills of the old country. Going out on safari, seeing how things are going out there. It's been a while. So this guy's huge. This is massive. Looks like these are both made from recycled water bottles. They're marketing the rainproofness of this. Nice little clips for the sternum. I haven't even seen this clip. Not a lot of structure. This one, you've got a removable hip strap on, and these both unzip entirely from the back. That's kind of nice. So you've got this like, look at that, nice, made from water bottles. This is going straight into the ocean. Lots of capacity in this guy, lots of capacity. So you can get a big load into this, which means it can get heavy, which means I'm gonna want some serious support on my back. My laptop is here on the back. That will provide a lot of sturdiness and probably just enough to put that weight onto these hip straps, which look like they have big, strong reinforcement back here. So these might work pretty damn good, actually. But that space is massive, and you have a roll top up top to get a little bit more space. This big Velcro thing with a zipper on the front, which I don't want to deal with this every time if this is the main way for opening the bag, I'm gonna want to roll these guys away. But I also have the top, which has two of these buckle clips, and I gotta roll it up and unroll it and all that stuff every time I do it. But that might be the way to get in. I like the look of these little panels. Looks like this thing probably, yeah, just Velcros on. Little hangabout when you need it and travel. Could be worse. Then on the front, you've got a little pouch without any, you just toss stuff into this on both of them. This one actually has some magnets that help keep it closed. Now, I'm probably not seeing myself putting this down and opening it up like that every time. I'm also not seeing myself do these kinds of straps every time I want to get in. But it's not an uncommon way to do a kind of a heritage looking bag. This is like what our ancestors would have used, and it like lasts forever. Oh, there's magnets on this one too. How do they work? Looks like we got some shoes from Freet. Got a few here to test out. Kind of interesting. F-R-E-E-T. If you don't know, one of my passion projects is finding barefoot shoes that don't look dumb. So I'll have to try those out. I don't know if they look dumb yet or not. In that same vein, these are power socks. I'm excited for these. It's a sock that's like, that you wear hiking. Like it's seriously durable down here. We'll need to test these out. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is from Cliffset. Looks like they are doing this like portable set of cutlery with a little cleaner spray thing. So the idea is you put some of this, looks like, I'm imagining this is what they sent this for, this lemon extract with some water, or maybe soap with some water in here, psst, psst, and you wipe it off with a napkin or something like that. And now you've got cutlery you can take with you anywhere, and a tiny little everyday carry sort of vibe. It's like smaller than normal, but big enough to eat like regular people. Like this is a great cereal spoon. Oof. Throw one of these little guys in there. Little napkins they sent. Cliffset. Take your own cutlery when you go to places. Okay, a couple other interesting things here. This one from Bellroy. Sling Mini Premium. So it's got some premium materials, and I do love this material. Bellroy do a great job with accessories and details and all that stuff. So magnetic little bit here on a nice thin, small, but not too small side. You got a pocket here, pocket here. This front pocket is a small, thin little pocket, and this zipper in the back gets into the whole compartment. You've got quite a lot of space, but it's tucked between this like opening. So you're kind of pinched, but it also makes for a really sleek, slight little look to be able to get like a surprising amount of capacity. Like you could also fit a little drone in here, I'll bet. You could fit a little water bottle and some snacks, things for kids, right? In a tiny little size. So this is their mini. Okay, and then this one is from Oliver & Co. Oliver Co., London. They make stuff with apple leather, Eco-Tex certified premium bio-based fabric, 50% waste from apples, and then 50% polyurethane, coated onto a cotton polyester canvas. So it feels like a solid, like a very solid faux leather, I would say. Got nice little felt on the inside. Has like, doesn't have the same aliveness that leather would have, but if you want to go vegan and use a very interesting material, because it's using apple waste. It's fascinating, the idea of using like leftovers from making apple juice in these massive factories and having that bulk, waste taken somewhere else where it can be processed into something that is like a super interesting way of using up that waste to make stuff we're gonna use. So they have this wallet here, and then they've got this, wow, this feels really good. This feels nicer, it's thicker, it's much thicker. And in the thickness, that feels really good. This, you're feeling like leather. Like discerning hands will tell, but there's a suppleness and a softness, there's a smoothness, a density, the way that it moves. This material feels really cool. And it's got bonded edges. I don't know if you can see these bonded edges here. And it's just a laptop cache, a place to put your MacBook Pro or something. I'm excited for this. Collecting these for a future roundup video, because if you have something that you love, like this would fit great on the table with your computer on top. I don't love to do that because I think it just makes things hotter for the computer, but this looks great. And if it's protective enough, which it would be like, it's basically protection from scratches, not from like dropping your computer. So Oliver's Co, check them out below. And then I just got 3 more of these. What could they be? Oh, it's this Tribit speaker thing. They also sent these headphones, which I'm trying out. Bluetooth speaker. Ooh, smells like fresh plastic. That looks kind of nice. Okay, USB-C on the side. I was wondering if that was gonna be under some sort of waterproof protection or something. Anyways, nice little speaker, huh? Little headphones, I'm gonna test these out. Okay, now this one I think if it's the one I'm thinking of, I'm really excited about. This one's from Pioneer Carry. It's their little tech case. Ooh, look at the way that material looks. It has this like matte feeling finish. Maybe my glass, it's the polarized Ombra's sunglasses I'm wearing. Okay, so we got a YKK AquaGuard sealed zipper, and it goes pretty wide. So we got a nice little taco here that opens up, and it's really quite elegant. So they make a wallet when the moment they sent it, I was like, whoa, what are you guys doing? And I featured it on my wallets video, which is another thing that I'm semi-passionate about. I'm passionate about anything where it's like what I'm carrying is considered, I don't lose what I need. I know exactly where my stuff is. I can do the things I need to do in life and it doesn't get disorganized, right? And this is fairly interesting. Here's what I'm typically using, the Track Lagen Pro, and you can see it's quite a bit bigger. I do put a lot of stuff in here, including my Bluetooth headphones, just like so. So I can just close it up, throw this into my bag, and I don't have to worry about anything. So my first question here is, can I just throw my Bluetooth headphones in here? Just so. So this is a much tighter fit. You've got Bluetooth headphones. I always have to carry this with me, which connects my Bluetooth headphones via cable to my computer when I'm editing, and if I ever run out of batteries and stuff like that. And I always need a dongle like this. Anything else in here is just extra stuff that I might need. So I can throw these in here with, let's say, AirPods and a little battery charger, and I've got everything that I need. The material feels great, you guys. This is good. Links to this and to my Lagen Pro below. I'll also link below to my favorite tech pouches, okay? One more package here. Okay, this one is from Scrubba. Okay, check this thing out. It is an inflatable laptop cover that you can use as like a pillow also. You've got AquaGuard sealed zip all the way around. This feels like quite nice and padded. You've got a carrying case, like a strap that you can attach to it. This feels quite nice and padded even to the bottom. This side, there's not a lot of padding on the side. You have a zipper right there. Oh, but it does have this like little gusset that goes around this the outside with a nice neoprene. The liner inside feels great. Apparently you put your laptop in here, you zip it up, and then you just auto-inflate this thing. It like automatically inflates to a set amount, probably because there's some mesh or something that spreads it out. And now you seal that sucker in, and you just got enough, like especially the external material, super, hear it? Super rugged. Then you can open it up and inflate it yourself. Looks like I can keep going for a little while, and it can be a bit of a pillow for you. I mean, look at that. Even that is like, that is actually not dumb. Then to deflate it, you just open that little valve up. You can roll it up and get all the air out and have it take up no space in your bag. Pretty interesting. Link to this below for if you're into it. All right. Probably the last video I'll make in this studio because I'm about to tear it down. So we're out of this house in 3 days. And into the next one, I'm sure I'll be making some video content about the next place. We got 5 acres and doing a little bit of that land life. Know what I mean? Gonna have some trees. Links to everything below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out matterful.co. It's where I keep my lists of daily carry bags, travel bags, all my favorite everyday goods that are actually good. Pens, barefoot shoes, notebooks, all that kind of stuff. And while you're there at matterful.co, get on the email list because that's how we do giveaways. Last time we gave away tens of thousands of dollars worth of gear, and so I'm hoping to do the next one at 150,000 subscribers, so why don't you just subscribe? Also, did you just watch this whole thing? Good on you. How you doing? You have a choice right now. You can watch another video, or you can get back to your to-do list, or you can go on a walk or do some push-ups. You can do whatever you want. Be yourself. Everyone else is taken.